I've already installed the SockShop e-commerce application on an OpenShift Multi-Arch Compute cluster. We can see the various microservices in the developer topology view. We can browse the SockShop website and search the catalog. And we can see the OpenShift nodes using the OC get nodes command. Here we have the 3 control plane and the 4 worker nodes available to us. We can also see that we have 2 power nodes by specifying the PPC Little Indian architecture. Specifying AMD architecture shows us that we have 3 control planes and 2 worker nodes. For now, just note the naming difference between the power and the x86 worker nodes. Now let's look at the SockShop pods and containers. We have 15 pods running. We can also look at the pods running on specific nodes. Here we see 8 pods that are running on the x86 worker 1 node. 7 pods are running on the second x86 worker node. So to refresh, we can see that this cluster has 5 x86 nodes, 3 are control plane and 2 are worker nodes, along with the 2 power worker nodes. The nodes with the name starting with Mac are power, and the nodes starting with the name RDR are x86. I'm now going to cordon both x86 worker nodes, plus the power-based worker 1 node. This means that pods may now only be scheduled to the power-based worker 0 node. We can now easily see which nodes have scheduling disabled. And I'm now going to delete all of the pods currently running on the x86 worker 1 node. Now that the x86 pods have been deleted, let's take a look at the pods running on the Power Worker 0 node. We can see that the pods that were deleted from the x86 worker node are now starting up on the Power node. More information is provided when adding -o wide to the OC get pods command. There's still some pods starting, and it will take a few minutes for the microservices to stabilize. We're just waiting for the user and catalog pods to start up now. If we look at the website, we can see that although the website is available, that the catalog information is not yet ready. Great. We can now see the catalog information coming back online. And the command line confirms that all migrated SockShop pods are now stable again. We can see that pods previously running on x86 worker 1 have now been migrated to the Power Worker 0 node. The SockShop front end is available, and we can search the catalog again easily. So we've demonstrated that we can cordon worker nodes to prevent new pods from being scheduled on those particular worker nodes. And by doing this, we can easily migrate workloads from one worker node to another. In this case, we were able to migrate worker node pods from x86 to Power architecture. I hope you found this demonstration useful. Let me know if you'd like any help running modern workloads on IBM Power.